What would it cost to have a contractor build this 16 by 16 A-frame with a loft? And how much could you save if you build it yourself? Stay until the end because the difference might surprise you. We're recreating this exact A-frame using tinyhometool.com, starting with the size and structure, then adding the red metal roof, doors, windows, loft, interior layout, and finishes. You can design your own tiny home completely from scratch or start with one of our templates and customize it until it's exactly what you want. And when the design is finished, Tiny Home Tool gives you detailed planning prints and a complete material list and estimated costs so you can actually see what goes into building it. Now let's go to the numbers. For this build, the estimated contractor price comes in around 40,000. The DIY build it yourself estimate around 23,000, making about a $17,000 in potential savings. So now the question is,